First day of government shutdown, and to be completely honest, I have no idea what to expect. We have a higher time frame SMT with YM, like uncorrelated with NQ and ES. Like NQ and ES is higher than Snoop Dogg. YM is still lagging behind, which is kind of crazy because it's usually the opposite. We are above Q2 weekly open range, and for the past like 3 sessions, we just been pumping, creating a lot of low resistance liquidity. Let's see. Yeah. So call me crazy, but I'm gonna be looking for shorts. And you can carve that on my tombstone. In order for me to enter shorts, I'm gonna be looking for a 90-minute cycle SMT. Like, I already see the high time frame SMT that I wanted on YM, so I'm just simply waiting for a 90-minute on between NQ and ES to confirm that we're gonna be pushing for lower prices, possibly targeting midnight open, probably not daily open, but who the fuck? And yeah, New York City's about to open, so let's see about that. So my bias, I'm gonna be looking for shorts today. Even though I'm not seeing much of an opportunity right now, I'm just gonna stay vigilant and patient. It's government shutdown today, and we have unemployment claims. I'm not sure if it already happened at 8:30, or if it's gonna happen at 10. But either way, I'm gonna still de-risk. Alright. Alright, that shit took a fucking dump. Well, guys, if I'm being honest with you, I'm not comfortable taking this. I'm sorry. I am not comfortable at all taking this shit. It's just simply not my model. I do see a hidden SMT, but it's not within like any quarter or whatnot. Oh, alright, we're getting something. So I'm seeing YM creating 90 minutes quadro SMT. However, it's still less than the high time frame SMT that I'm looking at. Unless that YM like sweeps previous daily high, then I won't stress about it. I'll be looking for bullish entries on NQ. But yeah. This is not my cup of tea. Alright. YM is definitely gonna take that out, so for sure. Does give me extra confidence that YM would take out that previous daily high if ever, but I don't know, man. Just not feeling price action today. We got ES is being rejected. Like it's creating an SMT. It's creating an SMT right now. NQ is the lagging asset. It's already fucking pumped. Like, look at this shit. It is pumping all the way fucking down. So, I'm not even gonna stress about getting an entry on fucking on NQ. However, I do want to get an entry on ES if I have it, if I get the chance. I know continuation traders would be fucking eating that shit up right now. I'm gonna look on YM. See if I can find a reason to enter. Switching my shit to ES S&P 500. I'm gonna be risking one contract. Let's see if it can go up and then like take out. Wait a minute. Let's see if it give me an SMT like right here. And I'll be comfortable to enter. Not gonna lie, guys, I didn't really sleep well. We do have an SMT gap fill. I'm gonna enter. I'm gonna only be risking that amount, honestly. Take profits here. I'm entering on the SMT gap fill. Beautiful fucking push. This is what the trade looks like. What an SMT gap fill is essentially when NQ creates a fair value gap and then it doesn't trade to it, but ES does and it trades to it. Confluence is 830 and 930 stacked open right there. So if I get stopped down this trade, I am not, and I repeat, I am not going to freaking re-enter. Alright, it's good testing that level again. Like again, I can't take partials. I'm on one contract on ES. If we do end up flushing, I'm gonna change my take profit to one of these midnight levels, like whichever level gets hit first. Like as soon as, like if NQ hits like midnight and ES doesn't, I'm exiting. Let me just switch this up right here so you guys can see what the move is. Yeah, NQ is just fucking dumping. Beautiful. Hopefully this is not chop though. Hopefully. Yeah, fingers crossed on that. I'm gonna just place it a little bit lower. I don't have a set take profit. NQ is definitely gonna be the one to reach midnight open first, and so as soon as I see NQ touching midnight open, I'm fucking out. Let me set an alert at that level. If I don't see I see a high time from SMT on YM, which is why I entered, but like I could not find a micro SMT 90-minute session SMT. So the one thing I saw was, stacked key opens when there's an SMT gap fill. It's a little bit lower probability than micro 90-minute, but most times it would still hold up. It would just be a little bit hard to top and bottom tick. Place this right here. De-risk here. Move stops the break even because we already took out an internal low. And it's a little bit of a lower probability then, despite us having news. We just don't know where the fuck the news is at. Okay, I'm about to close my position because NQ's getting to midnight open. Just give it a little bit more time. YM is nowhere near close to. Come on. Drop down. There you go. Alright, that's the trade for today. Whenever one, in lower probabilities... Okay, now you're telling me? The fuck? In low probability days, and just lower probability entries, even the asset that I'm trading, I'm gonna go for key opens, but if I see the leading asset just take that shit overall, and I'm trading the lagging one just so I can get an entry without forcing anything, I will take that. I'll take whatever I can and not be greedy. And for that, I'm up 320, not 320, I can't fucking read, 372. I made $372 on the day. And this was, I entered, I don't really see this setup as often, and so, I did enter, a little bit later on, right here. Okay, NQ and ES are, aligned, so, it would be, something like this. 1:3 risk to reward with one MES, not one MES, just one regular ES contract. Alright, W.